Hello, my kids. Get ready to learn about the five senses in the nature. Prepare your five senses in order to get ready to do our activity today. The pencil and your worksheet.
Let's go for a nature walk. Listen to the birdies talk. Go strolling in the grass while clouds go rolling past. Short and leafy forest trees, tall and pointy forest trees. Forest trees stand happily as we're whistling. Yay!
Come on, my students. Let's go for a walk to discover the nature. Wow, look very well. What can you see in the nature? You can see the tree, the cloud, the rain, and the lightning. What can you hear in the nature? You can hear the wind and the thunder. What can you smell in the nature? You can smell the flowers and the smell of soil after the rain. What can you touch in the nature? You can touch the rain and feel the cold. What can you taste in the nature? You can taste the orange. Yummy! Did you know that the orange is a winter fruit? Now, ask your mom to help you to draw the things you saw in the nature. Today we have learned about some characteristics of surrounding nature. I am waiting your great work. Don't forget to eat healthy, to exercise, and get plenty of sleep.